Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Last Visit tab. The Last Visit tab is a comprehensive report of each patient's most recent appointments at the practice. By accessing this tab, you can quickly identify which patients haven't returned for follow-up visits within a specified time frame. This feature is especially useful for recognizing patients who may need reminders to schedule their next appointment, ensuring continuity of care and maintaining patient engagement with the practice. In this video, we will start on the Report screen. Click on the CRM tab to open the Build SMS or Email screen. Next, click on the Last Visit tab to open the Last Visit screen. We will now take a look at various fields and sections displayed on this screen. Filters are tools that enable you to narrow down or refine the results shown on the Last Visit report screen. First, click on the Filter drop-down menu and select how the screen will be filtered. We will be demonstrating both context and default filter options, starting with the context option. Complete the details of the patient within its respective fields if relevant. Click on the Debtor Account Identifier field to enter the Debtor Account ID. Next, click on the Patient Gender drop-down menu and select the applicable gender of the patient. Click on the From and To Date field, which will open the date picker, and select the relevant From and To Last Visit dates. Once done, click on the Update Results button. If you wish to clear the completed fields, click on the Reset Filters button. Click on the Filter drop-down menu once more and select Default option this time. Like before, complete the details of the patient within its respective fields if relevant. You can also complete details regarding the debtor within their fields. Click on the Diaries drop-down menu and select the desired diary by which the list will be filtered. Next, click on the From and To Date field, which will open the date picker, and select the relevant From and To Last Visit dates. Click on the Show Only Future Booking slider to show all past and future bookings. You can click on the Delete toggle to filter either excluded or include deleted bookings or both. Next, click on the Patient File Number field to enter the patient's file number. Lastly, click on the Debtor Medical Aid Number field and enter the debtor's medical aid number. Once satisfied, click on the Update Results button. If you wish to clear the completed fields, click on the Reset Filter button. We will now go over the list screen buttons located at the top right of the screen. Click on the Select All Results button to select all results on the filtered list. Click on the Expand Widths button to auto-fit the column width to the information within all columns. To reset the columns to the way they were, click on the Reset Widths button. Click on the Sort Columns button to sort the columns in the order that you desire. For more information regarding how the Sort Column feature works, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Reports and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Choose Columns button to select the columns that will be displayed on the list. For more information regarding how the Choose Column feature works, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Report and List Screen user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Context Layout drop-down menu to select the type of layout that will be used for the screen. All the information on the Last Visit screen is divided into columns to logically group related information together. Click on the desired debtor, then click on the Sidebar Expander. The Last Visit Report sidebar allows you to view the patient's demographic and medical aid information. You can also send bulk SMSs and email messages to multiple patients and make necessary calls directly from the sidebar. To send one or multiple SMSs or emails to patients, simply select them by ticking their respective checkbox on the list screen. Next, you can click on the SMS or email button to send a message accordingly. To learn more regarding SMSs or emails, please refer to both the Sender SMS and Sender Email user manuals linked in this video's description. To make a call to a patient, click on the Dial button. To learn more about how to make VoIP calls, please refer to the Making a VoIP Call user manual linked in this video's description. We will briefly take a look at the page buttons located at the bottom of the list screen. Click on the Items drop-down menu and select the total number of items to be displayed on the list screen. Click on the Next or Previous button to navigate to the relevant page. Alternatively, click on the page number to navigate as well. Click on the Export to PDF button to save the selected filtered results as a PDF file. Or alternatively, click on the Export to CSV button to save the report in a CSV format.